Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your MPI Live app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. Indeed, you're looking for MPA Live app, or just click on search. So then here at MPA Live, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. Then here you search for MPA Live. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.